struggling as a people. Okay? Many of them came out to Australia for a better life. And in Australia, as we've learned with Ned Kelly, they also face some terrible poverty. If you look at the ground down here, it's really dry and horrible. And that's the type of land that Ned Kelly's family was trying to farm, as you know. Okay, terrible poverty. While I was in Ireland, however, I was able to go to the famed Irish pubs and hear people singing. And it was a real family event, everyone singing, violins playing, people clapping. And I listened to those songs and I thought, as Australians, these songs are almost in our DNA. We know these songs deep down. Okay, because the Irish brought us with them. That was a fairly prominent method of communication. Okay? And Mr. Skinner has volunteered today to sing you one of the really famous Irish songs. And he's going to tell you about that song. I need you to listen very quietly because this is a real treat to have a teacher do this for you today. Okay? So step back in time. Imagine that little cottage on that small plot of land, really hard to make a living. So many people crammed into it. Father's dead. Ned's having to steal food to stay alive. Doesn't excuse his future actions, of course, but lots of poverty. These are the songs that they were singing in those little cottages.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bladen, for that. What's Mr. Bladen for giving the background information? Now, good morning, everybody. Good morning, year 7. Okay, now, this song was banned in Australia during the gold rush, and it's based on a real bushranger called Jack Donahue. And he was born in Castlemaine in 1802 in Ireland. And he died in 1830. So how old does that make it when he died? 28. Very good, Max. Very good. Max and English together. Good to hear. It was banned because it kind of popularised bushranging. So they changed the song from Jack Donahue to Jack Doolan. And it's called The Wild Colonial Boy. And he, come on, bit of enthusiasm. That's better. Thank you. Now, he had a gang of bushrangers called the Wild Colonial Boys, and that's probably what it's about. Now, here it goes. If you know it, you can sing along. There was a wild colonial boy, Jack Doolan was his name. A poor Burmese parents. He was born in Castlemaine. He was his father's only hope, his mother's pride and joy. The love of his parents was the wild colonial boy. He was but 16 years of age when he left his father's home and through Australia's sunny climb. Okay, now what kind of language is that? What kind of figurative language is sunny climb? Hands up if you know. Not climate, but climb. What kind of figurative language is that? Hands up if you know. Short for climate. Nobody knows, starts with C, and it's an ism. Yeah, did I hear colloquialism? Well done. It's a colloquialism. Very good. And through Australia's sunny clime, a bush ranger did roam. He robbed the wealthy squatters, their assets he did destroy. A terror to the rich man was the wild colonial boy. One day he was riding the mountainside alone, listening to the little birds, their pleasant laughing song. Okay, what kind of figurative language is? Yes, it's the onomatopoeia bird. Very good. Listening to the little birds, their pleasant laughing song. 3 mounted troopers met him. Now he gave the San Fitzroy with a warrant to capture him.
the wild Colonial boy. Surrender now, Jack Doolan. Just say yes, 3 to 1. Surrender now, Jack Doolan. You daring highwayman. Well, he took his pistol from his belt and he waved that little toy. I'll fight, but I won't surrender, said the wild Colonial boy. Well, he first shot at Davis and brought him to the ground, and in return from Kelly, he received a mortal wound, all bloodied and dusty day laid, still firing at his Roy. And that's the way they captured him, the wild Colonial boy. And that's the way they captured him, the boy.
Thank you.